Struggling to level up in Elden Ring Nightreign? We've got the ultimate rune farming spots to power up fast. Today on GadInsider, we're sharing the best early game locations to stack runes and dominate Limveld. Stick around, this will supercharge your Nightreign journey. GadInsider, your go-to for gaming, tech, and epic guides. Elden Ring Nightreign launched on May 30th, 2025, and runes are your key to upgrading stats and weapons. Whether you're playing solo or in 3-player co-op, our guide, straight from GadInsider.com, reveals the top early spots to farm runes. Let's dive in. First up, the coastal run and Limveld starting area. Clear out the spectral crabs near the beach. They drop 800 to 1,000 runes each. Sprint through, take out 5 to 6 crabs, then reset at the nearest shrine. You can net 10,000 runes in under 5 minutes. Next, the ruined watchtower. This spot is perfect for co-op. Defeat the skeleton patrols and archers for 1,200 runes per run. Use your hawk for quick escapes and hit the shrine to reset. With a team, you'll rack up 15,000 runes in 10 minutes. Pro tip, equip rune-boosting gear like the Tarnished pendant to maximize drops. These spots work in both solo and co-op, and Expo say players are hitting level 30 in hours using these runs. Check GadInsider.com for more details on enemy patterns and gear. With Nightrein's ever-changing maps, these spots stay reliable early game. Farm smart, upgrade your vigor and strength, and you'll be ready for Limveld's toughest bosses in no time. GadInsider fam, which rune farming spot are you hitting first? Coastal Run or Ruined Watchtower? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider. Smash that like button, share with your Nightreign squad, and let's keep the rune grind going. Stay legendary and stay GadInsider.